good morning. It's Tuesday. I'm down in Georgia at Vengeance Racing right now, and Evil GS is right over here. We just took it for a ride and looked it all over, and they did an exceptional job. I mean, phenomenal. The car's better than it was actually when I brought it, and there's a lot of things they've done. It's amazing work. I totally recommend these guys to anybody. Superior quality work, which I call excellence.
And you tried hard to find something wrong.
I tried hard. I mean,
you couldn't find anything.
I found everything I liked that they did that I didn't even think of, to be honest with you. But some fittings and nice fittings under the hood I'm going to show in a little bit. So I just took the car for a ride. It's fast, it's powerful, but I'm just a little scared of it because it's cold out here this morning. It's like 40 degrees, so I was easy with it, and it's got the stock tires on it, so I just drove it. And it drove pretty much stock. So it sounds like a dyno run. I'm here at Vengeance Racing again in Georgia. Today is Tuesday morning, and we're going racing on Thursday, but I came down to take the car for a nice ride. It's a nice sunny day, and me and Donna did a quick detail on it, even though the car was spotless. Believe me, all the work that was done to it, the car was spotless, but we just touched it, and it's looking really good. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to have to turn this thing around and show the car. Here's the engine compartment. Good as it goes. You got to see it in person. It's phenomenal. There's a lot of things they upgraded that I wanted to get done. This has got the VR tank on it, which is much better than the one I had. It's their own custom tank for the breather system and oil-to-air separator. And it's got the F1A Procharger on it now. It's got the heavy-duty green belt. All the lines and fittings are nicely tucked away. Everything is done really, really, really nice. There's not a mark on anything. It's amazing they can pull an engine out and do all the work that was done to the car and come out with this excellent work. I'm very happy with it. So I'm going to take a peek on the other side. 875 rear wheel horsepower, 841 foot-pounds of torque out of the car now from 670 and 580 torque. So we got a pretty huge gain, almost over 200 foot-pounds of torque and 200 horse. I took it for a drive. It drives stock still. It does have the Circle D stall converter, so it does have a little bit of difference to it with the converter. As soon as you mat it, the car's an animal. Anyways, I'm just showing the engine compartment. It's absolutely perfect. They wrap, when they did this install, they had the windshield wrap. They removed the cowl. They wrap everything. They wrap the whole nose. Everything is perfectly done. Believe me, I'm anal, and I can tell you this quality work. The other fittings are so nice on the tank. They look beautiful in person. I got the dual methanol injection. They custom made this intake air pipe right here, which is really sweet. It actually matches the Procharger finish. There's the big air filter and stuff like that. But everything looks incognito. That's badass. It's a different animal now, let me tell you. Yeah, man. It's got the cam in it now, and the Evil GS live on Facebook. First startup.